Hey guys, trying out another KoF video. Video for some hard reason. I don't know why. I'm gonna try again to see if I can get my voice on here. I'm a lot less nervous now than I was last video. It's very good. And let's see how it goes. Alright, good, we got this. Nice! That was cool.
You win!
Au revoir. I didn't see it before, but I see it now. You're carrying some kind of determination in your heart. So what if I am? I'm not asking to be understood by any of you. But it's so sad. Surely you need someone you can confide in. Enough with the talking, mademoiselle. I don't have all day. Here you go.
Go! You're
gonna be hearing that in your dreams if you start playing KoF, so brace yourself. You're gonna wake up from a horrible nightmare and you're gonna be like, ah! Psycho Ball! Maybe I should switch the AI a little harder. She's just standing there. Boring. Okay, this sucks. I'm doing bad. I don't like this. No fucking way!
You lose!
Talk about choking. I guess I lost to Athena because I like her a lot. Whatever. Hey, how you been, Athena? I'm always rooting for you when I see you on TV. Thanks, Joe. I always try my hardest to honor my fans. Well, sadly, I'm gonna have to disappoint some of those fans today, you see? Today is my day to shine. We'll see about that, Joe. No, you're
ready.
Get out of here.
Go! You win! Yes, sir!
Nice. So I'm probably going to keep this video short, because this is more just an audio test video than anything else. I don't know why YouTube cut off my audio last time. That sucked. Oh, I forgot to read the dialogue. Chin made a funny joke, and Joe laughed at it, and complimented his wicked cunning and his ability to trick people. That's what happened.
Ready! Go!
Oh, wrong move. As soon as you step into the ring, it's business, even if you're a drunk old man. Yeah, Joe's pretty cool. I can see why this furry friend of mine really likes Joe Higashi. Anyway, that's it for now. This is just an audio test. Bye-bye, y'all.